Hello everyone and welcome back to Bong Bento Life. If you have been following the journey, you know we are in the middle of the magical experience and Immersify in Kuala Lumpur. This is part 2. The next theme is called Mystic Zones. And the moment you step inside, you'll know why. From the moment you walk in, the sound hits you. Water crashing, going, tumbling all around. It's not real, but it feels real. Everywhere you go, there is a motion, liquid light cascading down jungle road. It's not interactive, but it doesn't need to be. The atmosphere does all. Just as you are soaking in the scenery, something soft step into the front. A baby elephant. It's slow, peaceful, like an exploring just like you. It doesn't say a word, but you feel a connection. A quiet moment in the middle of the wild world. Then the calm breaks. A full-grown elephant enters in the scene, bold and proud, and lets out the deep, rumbling trumpet. And it echoes through the entire room. Even though it's just a scream, the sound makes your heart skip for a second. Not from fear, but from awe. The powerful reminder of a wild, the ancient, the untouchable beauty of nature. There is no mist here, no wind, no water. But the sound design and visuals are so immersive. It plays with your senses. You believe you are standing in front of a massive wall deep in the jungle. It's calm and intense at the same time. The kind of space where you don't talk. You just feel. Short but unforgettable. It's a visual poem, a sound bath, a quiet moment of wilderness in the heart of a digital dream. And with that, we're 2 themes in, and still 9 more to go. Don't forget, this is all part of a series here on Bong Bento Life, where I'm sharing every immersive room inside of ImmersifyKL. So follow me on Facebook or subscribe on YouTube, because next up we shift gears again. Theme 3 is just around the corner. So till then,